Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create an instance, how to create a cloud server and install Oracle, then installing another SQL developer on your computer, then we'll make a connection. So let's see how we are going to do. Let's go ahead and start. In previous discussions and classes, we have discussed how to create a new instance or free account, free tier account or cloud server through AWS. I'm going to go ahead and launch an instance. So we all know how to go to AWS, aws.amazon.com. Then you need to create an account or get into your AWS management console. We're going to work on launching a virtual machine. Then we'll be clicking on free tiers only. Then we'll be looking at this free ones. These are all free ones, and we'll be looking at Windows Server 2012 R2 base. So this is the one that I do see which is available. This is free tier eligible. When you select it, you're going to see, okay, it says an internal error. Let's find out. Okay, we clicked one more time, and then you're going to install this free one, CPU, one CPU and 1 gig memory. I'm going to review and launch. The storage for this is 30 gig hard drive. Then when you launch it, it's going to tell you, so you need to create a key for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose create a new pair, and then I'm going to download a key pair for this. So mine is here under my download. Then launch it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the logs, or what's the deal, how is everything going on. I'm going to go to EC2 and I'll check running instances. This is the new one that is coming up, so I'm going to change the names. It's Windows Server 2012 R2 2019. I'm going to change, so the name of this machine is now this. So we're going to work on this one. So let's go ahead and connect this machine. You can just click on this one, okay, and then click connect here. Then generate a username and password. It says this will take about 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and wait for 4 minutes, then we'll continue. In the meantime, you make sure you download the program called, okay, I'm going to go to Google, okay. Go ahead and call developer download. So when you click this one, you can download this, this one. This will be, you're going to have to accept the license agreement and download this one, Windows 32 and 64-bit. This will help you to connect your machine to. This will help you to connect your machine to cloud computers that we'll be working on, but it needs JDK 8. you're going to have to install JDK 8 and create the environment. Once you are done, it's expected that it will be working. Previously, I have created 3 of them. This one was the last one. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. So this one is created on one, and then the other one. This is the second one. Today, I'm going to add the third cloud computer here, and I'll show you. I can just remove it, but I'm not going to remove, and then I'm going to go ahead and add today's computer here. Let's go ahead and continue and find out. So after you download, you're going to have to install it. Let's find out what happens in here. So it's been already done. Okay, let's go ahead and click connect. You're going to have to use your key pair, which is this one, North American 2, and decrypt. Copy this. If you do not have remote desktop connection manager, you need to install it. If you do have one, you can just go ahead and download this one or use the address. So I'm going to go ahead and this is the password that I had. So when I click it, it's going to allow me to connect the computer on network. I mean on AWS. Remember, you have 1 gig RAM and you have 30 gig hard drive. So whatever we do, it's limited for today's lesson. If you need more, you have to pay more. So these are only free tiers. So today it's just a demonstration how this cloud is working. All right. So first thing first, I want you to go ahead and click on this little server manager and click local server. Then turn off this Internet Explorer Enhanced Security so that you can easily download. So it should this should be off, okay, for you to easily download. And then Internet Explorer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click this one. The second thing is I am requesting, I'm recommending you to download Chrome. I'm going to download and install the Chrome. It's now installing. So, while this is installing, on the right top, you will see that this is your IP address, 18.2.19.14.73. Okay, all right. I do see that the Chrome is installed. I can double click on it. Okay. Now, I want you to go to google.com. And search for Oracle Express 11G. So it will take you to a website. I'm going to go ahead and click this one, Database XE Edition, Express Edition. 11G Express Edition has built-in HR software that we'll be working on. I want you to go ahead and click on this prior release archive at the bottom of your screen. And then look, this second one, it says here, Oracle Database 11G R2 Express Edition for 32. So I want you to download that one. So, but you need to accept the licensing agreement and then click download. Then it will take you to this site. You can create an account if you have already one, like mine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and So when you enter your username and password, it will allow you to download Oracle 11 Express Edition 11G. Let's wait until it finishes. It's taking about 3 minutes. In the meantime, while this one is installing, you need to do a couple things. I want you to go ahead and click on this, on the left bottom of the screen, you have a Windows screen, and then type there firewalls. So I just want you to go ahead and click on the firewall, Windows firewall with advanced security. When you go there are two things: inbound and outbound. As you do see, there's no inbound connection allowed. Click on inbound rules and then click on the new rule. Then choose port. We are going to open all the ports. Then click on all local ports. Then allow the connection. Then next. Then name it all. Allow all ports. Okay. Then go to outbound rule and then add the same thing. Ports. Choose all remote ports. And then choose allow the connection, then next, then put a name, right? So now we have created these two. So which means your firewall will not affect your connection, okay? So now we are waiting for Oracle 11G to be downloaded to your computer so that we can go ahead and install it. That will take 30 more seconds. So what we did, we did tell the server itself that, open all those ports, and then, we'll make little tweaks, little arrangements on AWS account, and we'll make sure the ports are allowed from outside world as long as the passwords are known. So we're gonna unzip it. Then set it up. I just clicked on setup. I will accept the agreement after I read. Okay. You can put any passwords, in this case, I'm putting ABC 1234 or 12345678A. So you can put your own, but don't forget this password, your system password. So it's going to take for a while to download and install everything that I need. So up until now, I created a machine. In that machine, I logged in by using my PAM file. I did remote connection. I opened my firewall. I arranged my firewall settings. Okay, you're going to have to click OK. So disregard it, whatever it's asking you. Okay, should be done in a few seconds. All right, let's see. It's finished. Now, go ahead and click on the applications. You do see it here. Run SQL command line. When you come here, go ahead and type. Go ahead and type. I'm just gonna open a notepad. Okay. All right. So there are three things that you're going to have to type, to activate your HR module on the SQL server. So it's an Oracle, remember. Okay, you enter. So the password that you put while you were creating your, it was, remember, ABC1234 or 1234568 or A, whatever you put. So when you put it says connected, then go ahead and use the second one, alter user HR identified by HR account. We're gonna unlock the HR account, then make a connection. So it means right now we are connected. We connected to HR. HR. We unlocked the HR database within this Oracle server that was built in. So I'm just gonna type a select star from. I'm just gonna put their countries. I know there is a table called countries. Okay, you see all the countries. There's another one called departments. So as far as I know, the server itself, it's working. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my connectors, my developers tool, which is here, and I'm going to add a new connection. Then what I will use, I'm going to put this one as North American HR, and then remember to use this one HR, and then the password is HR. Then when it asks me what is the host name, I'm gonna have to use this host name. But before the host name, remember, before we go here, we're gonna have to open the ports and allow the ports. So you have to click on launch, wizard 6. Then add something for inbound and outbound. So outbound is allowed for all, for all locations. So for all traffics from 0 to 65,535 ports. But the inbound only, this is the remote desktop connection. We're gonna edit and add a rule. Okay, we're gonna add a rule. It is 1521, which is the Oracle. And I will tell that anyone who knows my address, they can log in. So normally it should be done. So I have already opened. I don't put any restriction at this moment, but I'm going to show you in class probably how to do it. Then, sorry. Okay, I'm going to go here. Okay, I'm going to go back. Go to one running instances. Remember to get the correct address, okay, public address. I'm gonna copy it, it's been copied, so I'm gonna go ahead and click here. So remember, the username of the database is HR, and then it's gonna go to hostname here by using port 1521. I'm thinking that this should work, okay? I'm gonna save this one, okay? Right now, okay. So North American HR, okay, it's here, right? So I'm expecting that this will communicate. Remember, this is communicating right now the machine that I have. So these are the tables. I'm gonna go ahead and type. I'm gonna put this select star from any table. Let's say jobs, and let's see what we have. Okay. Right. You see. So we have all these. So you can put the ascending. Okay. I'm trying to record. Okay, I'm trying to. Sorry, I'm trying to locate my SQL knowledge. I'm gonna put this one here and then find out. Okay, I found out something. You can describe jobs. Okay, it will show you the job title, minimum salary. So I mean, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write it down. Select start from jobs where minimum salaries are greater than 2,000. Right. Put there 8,000. Let's see what happens. Okay. So, all right. Okay. I made a mistake. So I'm not familiar with much with this, but you do see that there are 6 rows selected. So whatever you have, so you can try your SQL knowledge. So I okay. This is my computer, and this software runs on my computer, and then gets the HR data from where? From this, from the machine that I created, from the Oracle server that I created in that machine at Amazon half an hour ago. So I'm going to go ahead and put select star from departments, okay, and then see what's the deal, okay. All right, so you can. I'm just going to put there where department ID is equal to 120. I do see 120 here, so I'm just going to see what happens. I'm just testing. All right, treasury. Okay. All right, where department ID is smaller than 120. So you can test your Oracle or your SQL knowledge from here. I would like to thank you. I would like to thank you for this, for listening this video. I'm hoping that this will help you to, understand how people are using the cloud, how people are using the virtualization and virtual machine on the internet, and then share resources, share database. This is an unsecure connection. This is not really we don't really have a lot of security. This is a general database. So, but when you have secure database running, you have to have certain things before you share, before you publish this online public. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and end the meeting. Thank you very much.